Hey, good morning, lovelies. Welcome back. Today is a clean with me, or just tidy with me, I guess. Um, so this morning we have a good amount of stuff I need to do because I've been working over the weekend. I did get the holiday off, but I wanted to spend it with my family, so there was a lot of cleaning going on, but we're just gonna get through some stuff and have a couple of things I need to do. Let's zoom out to my room. Welcome to my room. So this is like me being, oh please avoid the window. Someone is supposed to come and put in my curtains. I know I sound congested because I was doing spray painting, and you guys should see that video. Yeah, so I was doing some spray painting and my allergies flared up. The spray painting came out nice, but the after effects were not nice. That bottle that you saw with the Coca-Cola bottle, it's actually glue that I use for my artwork. Just gonna take off some other stuff off the table, and then we're gonna clean it and we're gonna organize together. For this one, so I created these tables. I have two, as I showed you. I created these tables basically for business, for work, and for art. And I'm gonna be real. I use the business table the most, even for art. So there are gonna be some little small stains here and there. Yeah, I'm gonna shift you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna get me new speakers. These speakers are hella old. Oh my god, they're hella old. Look, there's duct tape on the side. Basically my mom had these for years. May her soul rest in peace. She had them for years. So my polish of choice is the Super Bright Furniture Cream. This one is the lemon scent. Oh my god, this, my dad bought it. I don't think I'll give this up for the world. It's so good. It is so good. So let's go. On a regular day, I would have other things on my desk, but I felt to be as simple as I can. As simple. So that's why you're not seeing much today. Alright, let's get back to it. Laptop is dated. This is for my keyboard and my mouse, actually. Woo! Jesus. Yes, I clean my entire laptop. I don't know how people do it. I clean my entire laptop, okay? My entire laptop. Where is that tape? And I put a little tape over this here. You guys can see. To me. my laptop here because the vent is underneath the laptop. So I was explaining that I put either a pom-pom or a book underneath my laptop because the vent is under the laptop. This laptop was given to me and it is a 2012 laptop. Yeah, so it is dated, but it still does what it needs to do, and I'm grateful. So let's get into it. Another friend got me this. This is a portable battery. I actually have a green one, but it's not the same brand. The brand is a Verizon. A friend got this for me. It has a flashlight, I believe. I think it has a flashlight. Does it have a flashlight? No, it does not have a flashlight. And it has 2 ports. I wish this could focus. Right. It has 2 ports. USB-C, USB-A. Really nice. Just gonna leave that right there. I use that for like if I want to charge my phone, I can't bother to plug it in, or I have a lot of things plugged in. I'll just use that for my phone, or use that for anything actually. This is my mouse, got it on Amazon. I do have a review of it on coming up, I believe. Yeah, this is it. It's really cute. And it comes with the keyboard. This is my keyboard. How cute is that? How cute is that? The back is white. I don't know. I just love rose gold. I love rose gold. So yeah, so that's that set. And then I also got this earlier up in the year. It's really nice, a mouse pad. And I think that's it for my desk. No, actually no, it's not. Let's set this up right here. How cute. How cute is that? How cute is that? How cute is that? This is the last, and then I'm going to do some cord management. So this is my little... How cute is that? It's so cute. It's a coaster. I'm going to put that right there. Alright, so for cord management, we start off with the plug for the laptop. I normally push it underneath. Plug that in. That's it, guys. That's it for my desk. I could have more stuff, but right now I don't feel like to have too much things on my desk. Simple, sleek me. My lovely people, we have come to the end of part 1. There's a part 2 and 3, so stay tuned.